Hello everyone, in today's session I am going to discuss a few multiple choice questions from the Tempest Act 4. In fact, this is set number 1 of very important 51 multiple choice questions from the Tempest Act 4 and Act 5. Let's start reading. What eventually wins Prospero's approval in the beginning of Act 4, Scene 1? I'll read the options and then we will solve. Ferdinand's self-control, Ferdinand's behavior under adverse conditions, Ferdinand's royal lineage, or Ferdinand's love for Miranda. There are 25 questions in this session, so the full marks is 25. I hope you have already made your choice, and the right answer is Ferdinand's behavior under adverse conditions eventually wins Prospero's approval in the beginning of Act 4, Scene 1. Question number 2. Who once again I tender to thy hand? Who is referred to here as who? Ariel, Caliban, Alonso, and Miranda. Who is the speaker of these words? The speaker is Prospero, and therefore who is referred to as who within quotes? Yes, it's Miranda, his daughter. Question number 3. What according to Prospero shalt Ferdinand find as Prospero boasts of Miranda? That he is a doting father, that he exaggerates the qualities of Miranda, that Miranda surpasses all praise, that he is concerned about Miranda's happiness. What according to Prospero shalt Ferdinand find as Prospero boasts of Miranda? Yes, he is a doting father, but the most appropriate response here is that Miranda surpasses all praise. The next one. Who are referred to as thou and thy meaner fellows? Ariel and his minor workers, Caliban, Trinculo, Stefano, Alonso and his confederates, or Ceres, Juno, Iris, and the reapers and naiads. Thou and thy meaner fellows. Ariel and his minor workers are referred to as thou and thy meaner fellows. The next one. What is Prospero's promise, and what do Ferdinand and Miranda expect it from him? What is Prospero's promise? Prospero will let the couple marry. Prospero will bring about the reconciliation between Alonso and Ferdinand. Prospero will arrange a masque for the entertainment of the couple, or Prospero will forgive his enemies. What is his promise? Yes, the third option. Prospero will arrange a masque for the entertainment of the couple. Who is the most bounteous lady? Miranda, Ceres, Juno, Iris. The most bounteous lady, the most generous lady, she is Ceres. Iris calls Ceres the most bounteous lady. 7. Who is Dusky Dis? Venus, Cupid, Pluto, and Mars. Dusky Dis is Pluto, the god of the underworld. Next, what is not included in Juno's blessing showered upon Miranda and Ferdinand? Poison, plenty, a blessed marriage, hours of joy, honor. What is not included? This is important, so read the questions. The right answer is poison, plenty, because Ceres is the goddess of fertility and abundance, and Ceres blesses the couple with poison, plenty, that is abundance. Juno blesses the couple with a blessed marriage, hours of joy, and honor, along with riches. 9. What kind of a vision is the masque according to Ferdinand? Wanton, majestic, merry, or fresh? This is easy. The right answer is majestic vision, harmoniously charming. Next, 10. Who whispers seriously? Ferdinand and Miranda, Juno and Iris, Ariel and Prospero, Juno and Ceres. Now, I have got a question as to why Juno and Ceres whisper seriously. They whisper seriously because they have some other tasks to complete, and Iris has gone on employment. There is no such specific answer or reason mentioned in the book, so we can just infer that they are talking about some pending work. Question 11. Why does Iris come to talk to the Naiads? To celebrate a contract of true love, to honor the couple, to put on their rye straw hats, or to terminate the mask? Why does Iris come to take the Naiads? Yes, to celebrate a contract of true love. 12 now. What is the meaning of country footing? Country song, country dance, brisk, walking steps, promptness. What is the meaning of brisk? Very, very quick. The right answer is country footing means country dance. The annotations, the word meanings are important. What is the meaning of spongy April? Damp month of April, sunny month of April, fertile month of April, or dark month of April? Spongy, damp, wet month of April. Who is the queen of the sky? Venus, Juno, Iris, or Cupid? Yes, it's Juno. She is the queen of the sky. Who is the messenger of the queen of the sky? We know that the queen of the sky is Juno. And who is the messenger of Juno? Ceres, Iris, Miranda, Juno. Who is it? It is Iris. The answer is Iris. Who is the goddess? Who is the messenger? Yes, she is Iris. Next, what is the meaning of watery arch? Sunlight, rainfall, rainbow, fountain. Watery arch, rainbow. Next, 17. What did Iris do for Ceres? Entertain Juno, celebrate a solemn pledge of true love, bestow some happy gifts on the happy lovers, or cover Iris's bushy acres and bushless plains with each end of her blue rainbow. Now here is a slight printing mistake. Cover Ceres's bushy acres. I will change this, Ceres's bushy acres. And this is also the right answer. What did Iris do for Ceres? Iris covered Ceres's bushy acres and bushless plains with each end of her blue rainbow. 18. What is the reason behind the sudden termination of the mask? Ariel has forgotten to cast a spell. Ferdinand and Miranda are tired. Prospero remembers the foul conspiracy hatched by Antonio, or Prospero remembers the conspiracy hatched by Caliban and his confederates. The specific reason is Prospero remembers the conspiracy hatched by Caliban and his confederates. What will happen to the great globe itself and all which it inherit? Will flourish, will dissolve, will come with a thought, or leave these varlets? The great globe itself and all which it inherit will dissolve. 20 now. In what mood is Prospero as he suddenly terminates the mask? He is ill-tempered, he is filled with despair, he is in a frenzied state of mind, or he is passionate? He is ill-tempered. Next, what is the meaning of the great globe itself? Globe theatre, universe, earth, or globe theatre and the vast world? The annotation of the great globe is important. The right answer is globe theatre as well as the vast world. 22. With what is life, earth, everything compared to by Prospero? Like the beauty of Miranda, like the insubstantial pageant that faded away, like death, or like spirits? What is life, earth, everything compared to by Prospero? Like the insubstantial pageant that faded away. As dreams are made on and a little life is rounded with a sleep, what is Prospero commenting on here? Transitoriness of life on earth, power of magic, power of imagination, or importance of youth, beauty, and power? The right answer is, as dreams are made on and a little life is rounded with a sleep. The right answer is transitoriness of life on earth, little life. All men are mortal. Sleep, eternal sleep, death. Who is a born devil? Sorry. Caliban, Antonio, Alonso or Trinculo? Very, very easy. Caliban. Prospero calls Caliban a born devil. What is the meaning of cankers? Another word meaning rots from inside, becomes colorless, makes noise or troubles. Cankers. Cankers. The word cankers means rots from inside. Do check set number 2 already uploaded for more multiple choice questions from the Tempest Acts 4 and 5.